Hey guys, it's Beth, and I just wanted to come on today and share some crafty collaboration opportunities with you all. There were several of you who said you had the Happy Fall pad from Craftsmith, Michael's Hot Buy from a few years ago, and that you were wanting to craft along with me. So I'm very excited about that, and I'm hoping we can all inspire each other with different ways to use the pad and maybe motivate each other to get some fall crafting done. If you do want to work along with me with this pad, I just wanted to let you know there's no rules to this little craft with me. There's no timeline, no deadline, and you don't have to make the same things that I'm making, because half the time I don't really know what I'm making until I get to that point anyway. And then you don't have to use up the whole pad either. Don't feel like, oh, I can't do this because I'm not going to use up the whole pad. You don't have to use up the whole pad. That's my goal. It's not necessarily your goal. If you want to use it up, that's fine. But if not, anything you use out of it is good. You're still crafting with your stash. But if you are doing this with me, I would love to see what you guys are working on as well. So you can share your projects with me through email at bourboncreekcrafts@gmail.com. You can share them here on YouTube with videos, on Instagram or Facebook. Just make sure you tag me at Bourbon Creek Crafts in all those places and use the hashtag BCCraftsHappyFall. So all of this will be in the description box below. You don't have to remember it. Just go down to the description box and copy and paste if you need to. And then it's not a contest or a challenge, just a little crafty collaboration fun to get us to use our stash and get some fall crafting done. If you don't have this pad and still want to work along with me, I'm also doing a collaboration with Leah over at Ode to Paper, and we're doing a little crafty collaboration called Fall Paper Pads Unite. So she has a different Craftsmith pad called Hearth and Harvest. And I believe it's a newer hot buy pad. So if you have this pad, you are welcome to craft along with her as well. And I know she's going to have a video here soon, if not already, where she's showing you the pad and talking about what she's going to do with it and kind of give you some more details from her end. If you don't have either one of these pads, you are still welcome to craft along with us. It can be any fall pad, collection, random papers, whatever, as long as it's fall related. You're still welcome to craft along with us. And then same thing, share your projects with us either via email, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. This time the hashtag is Fall Paper Pads Unite. And then we ask that you just tag both of us, like Ode to Paper and Bourbon Creek Crafts, on any of the platforms. So we're just excited to do some fall crafting and to kind of work together and work with all of you. And it's so fun for me to see everybody's projects. So what I would like to do is, as you guys are submitting your projects and pictures to me, kind of do a compilation, video and some posts on social media, sharing with everybody what everybody else is making, because I think that will help. It'll give you inspiration on what else you can do with the paper if you hadn't, if you're stuck or you hadn't thought about it that way, or also just kind of motivate you guys to, use the paper. And plus, it's always so interesting for me, to see how people can start with the same supplies or the same paper, but we all have different visions for it and we do something totally different with it. I love seeing that. I love seeing all the different ways that it can be used. So I'm super excited about that as well. So that's what I ask. Please be sure to, share your projects with me in any of those forms. And then if you do not want me sharing your project either here or on social media, let me know that and I will respect that. But otherwise, I would like to share them with everybody else as well. So if you have any questions on the collaborations, let me know. I know it was a lot of details, but like I said, all the hashtags and then my information and Leah's information will be in the description box below. I will also add a link to Leah's channel for you guys, Ode to Paper. But I am super excited about this. I'm having fun with this pad so far, and I hope those of you that are crafting in it along with me are enjoying it. If you have any questions on any of the details, please let me know. Just remember, it's not a race. It's not timed. thing. It's not a contest or a challenge. It's just fun, just some crafty fun. We'll get some fall crafting done. We'll get some of our paper used up, and we'll kind of build a little community and hopefully gain some inspiration and motivation from each other. But that's all I had for you guys today. I am super excited about this, and I hope you all are having a very crafty weekend. Talk to you later.